Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. We were doing some fertilizing of my onions I recently planted. It's a mixture of water and ammonia sulfate. And now, since I haven't had a garden harvest in a while, we'll bring you along while we do that. We're outside at my pumpkin and California Wonder Pepper plant container, and I think I have some bell peppers to get. They're not very big, but I'm going to go ahead and get them anyway. We got one, and we got like 2 or 3 small ones that are growing. Hey, I actually have a pumpkin at the end of this flower. Looks like it's growing, so I'm assuming that it had been fertilized. Keep my fingers crossed, and hopefully I'll have pumpkins. Oh, I have a lot of peppers here on this one. I have a few more, but they're not ready yet, so I'm gonna leave those there. So we're here at my Gold Coast okra. We got some pods here to get. Hey, we're gonna move over to the Longhorn okra. I have been told that these get rather long and they're good to eat. This one is every bit of at least a foot long, and it doesn't feel woody or anything like that. So I can't wait to try this out. Okay, let's get some more peppers. These will be the Marconi. Okay, let's check and see if we have any radishes ready. Okay, here's our harvest. These are the Marconi rather, peppers, the Longhorn okra, Gold Coast okra, California Wonder peppers, and some radishes, some cherry bell, and some French breakfast. Well, YouTube, thank you for coming along with me this morning while we did a little harvesting, and I showed you how I fertilized my onions. We got a pretty decent harvest, so I'm happy with that. I also was surprised to see that I may have pumpkins coming in the future. We'll keep our fingers crossed on that. If you got anything out of the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the video, take this moment to consider doing so. First and foremost, it's free. Doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps my channel grow, and it helps me. If you do decide to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell on. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Leave me a comment, and I promise you I will reply. You can share my content as well. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, never forget to give thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.